A lightning crashes, a new mother cries. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion sets in. Before the doctor can even close the door, lightning crashes and old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. The confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down low. Oh, I feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Lightning crashes, a new mother cries. This moment she's been waiting for. The angel opens her eyes, pale blue covered eyes. Presents the sun, puts the glory onto high. Oh, I feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it.